my god, I look so cute. Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me again today. My name is IG. And if you're just joining the fam for the first time, thank you, you're welcome. You can see it. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my mini twist for best length retention and to avoid breakage. I've sectioned my hair into 6 parts. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. Yep. So I like working in sections because a lot of times doing your own hair can be very overwhelming. Trust me, I really understand. Because when I first started, it looked like so much work. But making it like leaving your hair in sections, it makes it feel smaller, it makes it easier to tackle things. I try to start in the front just because that's still when I have a lot of strength and I still have the energy to do it as neatly as possible. A lot of times I don't really bother looking at the way I pass to the back of my hair. I'm going to be showing you guys how I start in the front. So I'm on this side of my hair. I like to part my hair into small sized boxes. I like my mini twist stretched, okay, and I want it to be at least in the front. I like it to be precise. All right, so yeah, I'm going to be starting off by parting this section of hair off. Oh my god, I don't even know what I'm doing, but this is the general idea. I just kind of want to section off my hair. So that's that. Sectioning your hair can really be difficult, I understand that, but you have to just try. You have to try, okay? So yeah, that's about a good size, I think, or thereabouts. So this could definitely be I think that's okay. This could also be another section, depending, I guess. I just generally do these things as I feel like. So I'm using the Hair Wonder Moisturize and Repair Hair Wonder Hair Cream. Okay, so this is what the inside looks like. So I'm going to be applying a little bit on my hair strands. And I don't braid the roots of my twist before starting, just because it's really harder to take out when the roots are braided. So that's that. And I also use shea butter at the tips of my hair just to, to make sure that the ends are not dried out, and then I also make sure that I seal the ends. So yeah, generally I just twirl the roots of my hair in my fingers and I just twist. So I guess you need to know the basics of how to do a regular twist, because what I'm doing is root twisting. So yeah, this is just one. This is my shea butter, and I'm going to be using a little bit of that on my ends just to seal it in. Four twists, and yeah, it seems this section is going to be like 6. That's it. So it's meaning like I have like 2 strands left. So I'm sorry guys, I'm using my camera as my mirror, so if I'm not looking at you, it's because I'm looking at the section that I'm working on. So yeah, I take a little bit of this, just a little, because a little really goes a long way, and then putting that into my strands. Yeah, a little bit of the shea butter just to straighten out my ends. And then I start again. Section your hair. I kind of just feel it at this point. I can feel when the 2 sections are uneven. But if you're starting, you may need to use a mirror to make sure that the strands of hair that you want to work on are as even as possible. This is really important because if you twist your hair to a section to the ends, and it turns out that one section is longer than the other, or one it's shorter, or something happens, you may need to redo the twists. So let's get into it. So yeah, I generally twist the hair in my fingers, twists as I go down, roll it in my fingers, and then put the other one over each other. That's generally how I do my root twists. So yeah, you just keep going down, twisting as you go down, rolling each strand and then putting one strand over the other. And I try as much as possible to twist the very end. So yeah, 5 sections done. Let's move on to the last piece here. This section, before I start twisting, I make sure that each section is as even as I can possibly make it. So yeah. It may take you a little more time to get the hang of it, but I just want you guys to understand. So, and that's that. So guys, you can see what I've done. So it's just this little section left here. So I'm just going to do this. I've already sectioned out my hair the way I want it to be braided. So guys, the reason why I left out this section was so that whenever I braid this part, I would join it together and then I wouldn't have a line in the middle of my hair. But if I should just braid this entire section, I would have like 4 different lines in my hair, if that makes sense. So I just section out this part and take a bobby pin and I just pin down this section that I want to braid with this one. I just join the two sides together from here. So this is the side that I'm going to be working on, this section. So I just take this hairband and I just tie that up. So here, this is the part that I'm going to be braiding now. Something like this. And then I start braiding. So yeah.
"2,000 years later."
Finished look. Wait, I'm going to rock this for a while. Oh my god, I look so cute. Okay, so guys, I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it!